Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a half wig into a genie ponytail. I really wanted to have a long and full ponytail, and I feel like the half wig that I had was perfect. By the way, I have been growing my hair, and guys, look at these inches. Yes. Okay, but yeah, let's get to it. First, I'm just going to comb through my hair and make sure I don't have any tangles. I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster to slick my hair down and make sure it is super laid. Now I'm taking my Denman brush and I am brushing my hair again to make sure it lays really flat. I hate when you make a ponytail and your hair, have like little pieces that end up like sticking up like a little hump kind of thing. So yeah, we don't have time for that today. I always make sure I add a generous amount of pomade in the back because the back part of my hair is always having flyaways, but also the pomade just really keeps everything in place. Next, I'm using a hard bristle brush and I just want to make sure that my hair is as smooth as possible. I'm using the Edge Booster Extra Strength and Moisture Rich Pomade to lay down these edges, and I really like this one compared to the water base because I feel like when I use the water base, my edges curl up literally in the next 2 minutes, guys. Like, I kid you not. So when I use this one, at least my edges and my hair stay laid down longer. Ladies, I don't know if y'all feel how I feel, but when I be trying to slick my hair down and put it in this ponytail, it is such a process. Like, a ponytail is not the easiest hairstyle if you want it to be slicked down. So bear with me. After all of this brushing and hard work, we are halfway done. Make sure this ponytail is extra tight because the half wig is heavier than a drawstring ponytail. So you want to make sure that this ponytail is able to handle that weight. Yes, we are getting this ponytail super tight because I have had issues in the past where my ponytail could not make it through the whole day. So we're going to avoid those issues. I'm braiding my hair, and then after I braid it, I'm just going to wrap it around and make a small bun. If you wrap your hair and make your bun stick up higher, of course your ponytail will sit up even higher. But if you don't want it as high, then you'll make your bun flatten out a little bit so your ponytail will sit lower. I'm just using a hair tie to secure my bun in place. And yep, we are ready to put on the ponytail. I'll be using the Sensational half wig and pony wrap, instant up and down, UV4, color 2, and you can check the links below. So this is a synthetic half wig, and actually this is a part of the 2-piece set. This came with a wrap pony, and this was the half wig that went with it, with the drawstring and the clips, but I am going to be using it as a ponytail instead of the back part of a half wig. So yeah, here we are. I'm just putting the clips in the top part of my bun and making sure that it is secured before I use the drawstring. And when you are using the drawstring, you want to make sure you pull it as tight as you can. I mean, super, super tight. You do not want this bad boy to fall off your head, okay? After pulling your drawstring as tight as possible, now you are going to wrap it around your ponytail because you want to make sure you hide it. I'm going to secure that string in the very back with a couple of bobby pins. So I'm just brushing down my edges, and you know, if you are not into baby hairs, then of course skip this part, but your girl got a large forehead and the baby hairs really help disguise it just a tad bit, so I'm definitely not going to skip this part. I'm using Aussie Freeze hairspray, and this gives my hair a light shine but a really great hold. As you see, I had a few flyaways already, so this here is super helpful. If you know you're going to be outside for an event, make sure you spray even more hairspray because you want to make sure you have a really good firm hold because you do not want any flyaways if it's windy outside. So yeah, this is the Touchdown dark brown edge control, and I always use this to fill in some places where my edges are a little sparse. I just try to add just a little bit of edge control right there so it can have a fuller look, and you will see in a minute. And of course this is optional, you do not have to do any of this, but I actually like adding it because you see the difference. Thank you so much for watching this video, and give me a thumbs up if you like how it turned out. And also I'm going to stand up and show you the back.